Here are two really cool S Pen features that you might want to go ahead and turn on and make use of it. Or if you find it annoying, here's where you can go to turn it off. It's the screen off memos and the quick notes. This here is the S24 Ultra, and it's also available on the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. Let's get started. I'll show you how to turn them on and how it works. So you'll start with the quick panel access if it's your first time looking for these settings, and you'll tap on that setting gear icon right here at the top right. Once in this section here, to find the S Pen features, use the search bar and type in the words S Pen. You'll see it there if you've typed it before, or just go ahead and type it in, S with a space, then pen. Once you type it in, you'll see the suggestions here, and you can tap on here or here and anywhere, and it'll take you to where you need to go next. Now in the S Pen section here, you'll most likely start off from this screen here where you'll see the S Pen, the battery life, and if it's removed or not. So from here on the top here, go down until you see screen off memos and the quick notes. So the screen off memos basically works with your S Pen out of the phone, or if it was in the phone and you removed it, it's going to have a little pop-up that's going to give you a black screen allowing you to write on the screen and quickly save those notes. Then for the quick notes here with this one here, if you're on your phone itself already and you have your pen, you can simply long press it or press it and then double tap the screen, and that'll activate the notes here. So I'll show you the screen off memos here right now. So first I'll put my pen back inside, and I'll off the screen here, and let's just say I pop open my pen with the screen off here. When I pull it out, you'll notice that this here shows up where I can quickly go ahead and write me up a note there, okay? And whatever it is I write, I can save it if I wanted to, or just press the discard here by pressing back and so. So now let's just say here now I have my screen like this here, and with a single press of the button of my S Pen here, that's gonna allow me to wake up the screen. Okay, so I'll press it down like that here, and I'll tap it at the same time, and I will see the screen for the notes pop up like this here. So it's a pressing with the pen here and tapping on the lock screen that'll activate the notes for me, okay? Now the next one is, let's just say you're anywhere on your phone, you will hold down the button itself. Once again, you're gonna hold down the button right here, that S Pen button, and while holding it down, you'll double tap on the screen. So hold it down, and 1, 2, and that's gonna activate those quick notes for you so you can quickly jot down something and make use of it, all right? And once again, you can always come back to the settings here and deactivate this here right there to, you'll see that that goes up there if you wanted that there, and go back to the S Pen and turn off those features if you don't like any of them, all right? So like and sub.